Come on, keep coming. Almost there. Keep coming. Keep coming. The adventure doesn't start until something goes wrong. My trees, my pretty trees, broken, on the ground, branches. That's gonna be a lot of cleanup. Going down my street is bad. Branches down in the street. Day 2, no power. This is already wearing on me. I need to find a place to go. I need to find a place just like this. Talimena Scenic Drive. See if I can do 4 miles. When there's an ice storm at home, no power for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is Saturday, 6 days. There's nothing else to do. Let's go hike 4 miles in another state. I'm reminded something my mom used to always tell me. She still tells me, you know, to this day, no matter how bad you think you got it, it could always be worse. So yeah, I had an ice storm, no power, branches down, but at least I got a house and I'm alive. And I get to see and do stuff like this. These are markers. Lets you know that you're still on the trail. I think. Was it blue? Since I mentally decided to do some serious hiking, I have to come out of that vest and hat. Especially if I want to get back before dark. Some people do different things to test their mettle, their fortitude. Some people go to the gym and work out 7 days a week to see if they can. Me, yeah, I'm out of breath. I like to go get lost and see if I can find my way back. All right, made it to the top. Look at this view. Oh. I need to send the drone up. Got to. The risk was worth the reward. Did you see that view? What a difference the sun makes. Like when you're at the top, it's really sunny. It's like you can see everything. But now I'm trekking back down through the woods. It's dark. Getting dark. Now it's time to make it back to the truck before it gets pitch black. I made it out. Sun's going down. Back to civilization. They say the adventure doesn't start until something goes wrong. I went down, come on, went down a side road to the right, to the right. All right, now come on back. But it's one way in and one way out. So a nice person is backing up and I'm directing them out in my truck. Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Thank you, man. And it says right here, narrow road, not suitable for trailer traffic. I mean, don't have a trailer, but thanks.